आदर आम 3टा स्लेव यूएसबी को कंट्रोल करवा भाई वेब डैशबोर्ड ये आम कौन कर तो आम पाखे डैशबोर्ड 3टा अलग अलग कार्ड अच्छी जोटी कि ऑन ऑफ बटन गुरा सब अच्छी से आम बिल्ट इन एलईडी को ब्लिंक करवा ऑन की ऑफ जहाँ स्टेट को चेंज करवा फर्स्ट मु स्लेव 1 जोटा कि ईएसपी सर्टिफिकेट देखा ताको ऑन करी ऑन से गोटे डिले देखी ऑन हम तापर मैं स्लेव 2 को ऑन करवा ऑन से गोटे डिले देखी ऑन हम पावर सप्लाई ऑफ लैपटॉप ऑफ हो हाँ दे ऑन कर स्लेव 2 ऑन
Make it a one.
कमल को तो मास्टर पाख गले लाइट बंद हो जाउची गोटे थ्रेशोल्ड ये
That is communication between one master and two slave.
यस
And it is about the moving concept between master and slave. Whenever the slave becomes very closer to master, the master sends the command to the slave to slow down or slow down the speed of the slave. And if there is a fair distance between the slave and master, then it will continuously blow, means your motor will run continuously with the same speed. This is both the slave. Here is the slave. This is slave 1, this is slave 2, this is master.
this is slave 1
This is slave 1, this is slave 2, this is master. And we are connected 3 different devices.
with their MAC addresses
And the data transfer between this master and this slave in MAC address, using the MAC address and USB now protocol. Master slave technology using GPS. Basically, this concept is used in swarm drone technology, where the position of the master is tracked by the slave and slave follow accordingly the GPS, that means latitude and longitude of the master. Now you see, whenever suppose this is my drone 1 and this is slave drone 2. So here the light LED, right side LED is glowing, but due to some wiring defect, maybe other 2 are not going or other 2 will glow naturally. So it will track whenever the master move left or right, accordingly the right and left LED will glow. If master is in just straight in the front of our slave, the middle LED, right LED will glow. So now we successfully track the position of the master by the slave by using GPS module. ठीक ଅଛି?
yes
चलो